Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 8, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. Yes, my dear teachers, this is lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture 4, under the title of Reading and Comprehension. Before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about my beloved Pakistan. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: scan, locate the text for specific information, apply while reading strategies to interact with text to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words: day, date, place, etc. Identify and write sentences that state, negate something or ask a question. Yes, my dear students, this is a beautiful verse from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 154. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, and do not say about those who are killed in the way of Allah, they are dead. Rather, they are alive, but you perceive it not. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling about those people, those got martyrdom in the way of Allah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying us clearly that we could not say them that they are dead. They are alive, but we could not perceive it at any cost. Pre-reading questions are there. What is patriotism? Have you ever heard of any patriots of the country? Pause the video and respond these questions to your teacher. Good job. I hope you have done it. So today we are going to start our lesson, unit number 8, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed, from the first paragraph. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, 1928 September 12. This is the date of birth of Raja Aziz Bhatti. To 1965 was a Hong Kong born Pakistani. And we have already got that this is our SLO, that this is a fact. This is a fact that he born on 12 September 1928 and died in 1965. And this is a fact, and we already know, my dear students, that fact cannot be changed at all. This is an actual truth. He was born in Hong Kong in 1928. He moved to Pakistan before independence in 1947 and settled in Ladia, Gujarat. Yes, my dear student, there is a question for you. Where and when was Major Aziz Bhatti born? The next question is, when did Major Aziz Bhatti move to Pakistan? Pause the video and respond these questions to your teacher. Excellent. I hope you have done it. There he was recruited with the newly formed Pakistani army and was commissioned to the Punjab regiment in 1950. He was a brilliant officer throughout his career and stood out in his class. He did very well at the academy and was awarded the Sword of Honor and the Norman Medal. Two awards he got during his career. He was very brilliant officer. He was best in his year's batch of 300 officers. So out of 300 officers, he stood first in his class. He received his honors from Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. So he got all these awards, my dear students, from the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan. And what does the word commission mean? Having a rank. Means on a high status. When we are going to deal with a group of people, this is called commission. And recruited, enlisted, got a high rank in first position. There is a question for you, my dear students, and related to this paragraph. When was Major Aziz Bhatti recruited by the Pakistani army? Pause the video and respond to your teacher. Good, excellent job. Aziz was posted in the Barki area of the Lahore sector. On September 6, 1965, as the company commander, Major Bhatti, to stay with his forward platoon. He faced continuous guns and tank attacks for 5 days and nights in the defense of the Bambawali Ravi Badian BRB Canal defense. Yes, my dear students, in this chapter we are talking about the war that was held between India and Pakistan in 1965 on September 6, and Major Aziz Bhatti was leading that platoon and he was facing continuously for 5 days. He faced for the defense of canal. And what is the word continuous means? Endless. Continuous mean, the word continuous mean endless, never ending effort. Where was Major Aziz Bhatti posted on September 6, 1965? Yes, my dear students, respond this question to your teacher. I hope you have done it. Excellent job. The fire went on for days and once his commanding officer advised Major Bhatti to take a little rest while another officer will take his place during this time. Major Bhatti refused and said that he would not stop and shed the last drop of his blood in defense of his country, Pakistan. Yes, my dear students, in this paragraph we are discussing that his commander say him when, because continuous war was going on and it was the 6th day, then his commander advised that to Major Aziz Bhatti that you should take some rest. But he refused. He denied. He negated that, no, I will shed my last drop of blood for the save of my country. And what is the word refused mean? What is the word refused mean? Indicate or show that something that one is not willing. That thing we don't want to do, that we refuse. Yes, my dear students, there is a while reading question for you. Who advised Major Bhatti to take a little rest? Yes, my dear students, search answer from that paragraph and respond to your teacher. I hope you have done it. Excellent job. 6 days later, Major Bhatti was hit by an enemy tank shell and embraced martyrdom on September 12, 1965. He was awarded the highest military award, Nishane-Haider, on March. Yes, what is the word embraced mean? The word embraced mean accept, got. That the word embraced mean got. And it was, which was that day when he embraced martyrdom? It was the 6 days of fight was going on. What is our question for that? How many days did Major Aziz Bhatti stay for the defense of the BRB canal? Yes, my dear students, find answer from this paragraph and respond to your teacher. I hope you have done it. Excellent job. On March 23, 1966, for his exemplary courage, in Gujarat, a hospital was also named after him. Several other places, roads and centers were named after him to pay tribute to this brave man. Yes, my dear students, in this paragraph that he showed an exemplary courage and he sacrificed his life for the sake of his country, Pakistan. So to pay him tribute, there are several places like roads, centers named by his name. And what is the word exemplary mean? Ideal, model. He is the person that we can follow. And what is the word tribute mean? To pay salute. Yes, post-reading questions are there. How did government pay tribute to Major Raja Aziz Bhatti? Yes, my dear students, brainstorm your ideas and respond this question to your teacher. Excellent job. Yes, it's now activity time. Let's perform an activity in our class. Yes, my dear teachers, get students into pairs. Say them to identify facts in the unit they have read just now. Teacher will help the students to identify facts in the lesson. Yes, my dear teachers, in complete lesson already I also gave hints that what are facts. Facts are actual truths and that facts cannot be changed. It can be proven by if we are mentioning dates and days. So these are always facts. So now search in your lesson and enjoy this activity in your class. Yes, I hope you have enjoyed this activity a lot. Good job. Now comprehension skills. Question number 1 on page number 72. Follow these all questions and write answers in your notebook. Perform this individual activity in your class. Excellent job. And that there is also MCQs on next page number 72 and 73. Do these questions on your book. So what's our homework for today? Make sentences of the words given on page number 73, question number 3 in your notebooks. On page number 73, there is a question number 3. These words, use all these words in your notebook. This is your homework. And this is worksheet. This is given into the description box. Click it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered today? Today we learned about how to locate the text for specific information. We also learned that the way to identify facts in the text as indicated through day, date, place, etc. We got knowledge about sentences that state, negate, or ask questions. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO. Scan, locate the text for specific information. Apply while reading strategies to interact with text to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words: date, place, etc. Identify and write sentences that state or negate something or ask a question. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed a lot. Let's see you soon, inshallah, with a new lecture. Allah Hafiz. Have a blessed day.